So next we are going to explore about simple alarm setter applications in Android. Okay. So now we are going to build the much more interesting applications called alarm setter. Alarm play a crucial role in our daily lives and have become a essential wake up assistant in our in every smartphone. So we'll develop these applications using the Android Studio, which provides a unified environment for building the applications for the phones, tablets, wearables, a TV, and even the Android Auto. So next we'll see about the step-by-step implementation of alarm setup. Okay. So the first step is about create the new project. As always, we start by creating the new project in Android Studio and setting up our basic activity. Okay. So next, in the second step, so we have to add the permissions in the Android manifest.xml. Okay. So here we have to configure our Android manifest XML file. Okay. And here we declare the necessary permissions for vibrations and foreground services and register the broadcast receiver named the alarm receiver that will handle the alarm event. Okay. Then next we will move into the step 3. So here we have to concentrate about designing the layout. Okay. So our layout will include the two main user interface components. So first one is a time picker. So this will used for capture the desired alarm time. Then second we have a toggle button. So this will handle to turn the alarm on or off. Okay. So initially the toggle button is off and switches to on when an alarm is set. Then we have a fourth step. So here, so we are going to implement the logic in a main activity.kotlin. Okay. So in this particular file, so we implement the on toggle clicked method. Okay. So here we retrieve the selected time from the time picker and use the alarm manager class to schedule the alarm. The alarm will ring and vibrate repeatedly until the user switches it off. Okay. Then fifth step is creating the broadcast receiver. Okay. So here, so we have to create the alarm receiver class which defines what happens when the alarm goes off. So here we have to implement the on receive method to start vibrations and play the default ringtone. Okay. Then sixth step is about playing with the colors. Okay. So here we have to customize the application's appearance by editing the colors .xml file and defining our desired color scheme. Okay. So for example, we may use the green shade for the primary color. Okay. So like that you can set your own color for your application. Then step 7. So here what we are doing in the sense, finally, so we configure the theme in the themes.xml. Okay. And so here we may choose between the light theme with the dark action bar or completely the light theme depending on the design style we want. Then now with the steps, so we have built a fully functional alarm setter applications that can set the alarms, trigger the notifications with the sound and vibrations and provide the neat user interface with a customized color and theme. Okay. So now you may experience the alarm setter when you execute the code. Okay. So you will see this output, right? So the first one is, so here we have to set the alarm. As usual, we will set the alarm, right? So in this particular screen, see here, so we have to set the timing in the screen. So 4 is 4 and minute is 21. Okay. At the same time, the right side we have given a PM and AM option. So you have to choose the option, right? Then after that, so here we have a two options button is there, on or off. Okay. So you have to click the on button for set the alarm. And after alarm is ringing, you want to off the alarm, then you have to set the off button, click the off button. Okay. So next, after setting this timing, so here 4:22 PM has been set. Then so we are setting the on button, right? So let's see what happens. So after setting the alarm, so the time is arrived, it will be ringing, right? See this output. The alarm wake up, right? So the alarm with the text messages also is displayed. So in this way, you have to create the Android applications also for alarm setter. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session. Happy learning.